Esta code exercise 3. Start. I am directed to refer to instructions issued from time to time on the above subject and to say that it has been observed that in a large number of cases of farmer work charged employees, brought into regular establishment in 1972 and 1973 as a matter of general policy, the question of change in their date of birth is raised after their retirement, resulting in delay in finalization of their pension cases, full stop. Although service record of such temporary employment was not required to be maintained, service books, were prepared in a large number of cases, but particulars such as age were recorded therein without any proper verification, full stop. Such verification because necessary at the time of conversion of work charged employment into regular establishment, full stop. Formal methods of verification of age on the basis of medical opinion or documentary evidence in the nature of school leaving certificate or military discharge certificate, etc., indicated dates of birth different from the earlier dates recorded in a casual manner, full stop. Since change in date of birth of government servants is not allowed 2 years of entry into service, the audit offices ask for sanction for such change before authorizing payment of pensionary benefits, full stop. Since this unnecessarily delays settlement of the pensionary claims, it has been decided in consultation with the finance department, that in future sanction of government to change in date of birth of former work charge government servants, if made, should be presumed to have been granted, full stop. The pension cases of such retired employees should not be held up on account of change in the date of birth, full stop. The date recorded after conversion of their work charged employment into regular establishment should be admitted as the correct date of birth, full stop. It is requested that all audit officers under your administrative control may be instructed accordingly, full stop. I am directed to refer to this department's letter of even number dated 13th November, 1984, and to say that instructions were issued that where the original date of birth recorded in the service book of a government servant is not legible, sanction of government in S and GAD department must be obtained after fixing responsibility for multination damage of the original entry and furnishing full justification for acceptance of change, full stop. It was further desired that officer in charge of an office or department who have custody of service record of employees working under them must examine service books oblique service rules of all employees under their charge and ensure that the change comma if any comma is taken care of well before retirement of the persons concerned and necessary action is taken against the person responsible for tampering with official record full stop. Paragraph, it has been observed that the number of such cases referred to this department is on the increase and it is always claimed that responsibility for the change cannot be fixed full stop in order to avoid belated BELATED references comma it has been decided that all heads of offices who have the custody of service books oblique service rules must record a certificate in the first week of January every year in every service book to the effect that they have personally examined the service book oblique service rule and have found these in order full stop. Such certificates should be pasted in the service books oblique service rules from the last page onwards full stop. Any head of office not complying complying with these instructions should be reported against for the failure by this successor to the next higher authority for appropriate action full stop. The above instructions should be brought the notice of all concerned full stop.